Hello friends, welcome to the Ursus Technical Campus. In previous lecture we have completed our two types, that is type 0 system and type 1 system. Now today we will see next type, that is type 2 system, to step, RAM and parabolic input. We will see what is the effect of type 2 system on steady state error and constant for input, step, RAM and parabolic input. So let's take first input, that is step input. Step input to type 2 system. So we know ESS, that is steady state error for step input, is E of SS is equal to A upon 1 plus Kp, and we know the value of Kp, that is Kp is equal to limit S tends to 0 G of S into H of S. But we know the value of G of S into H of S for type 2 system. It is, for type 2 system, G of S into H of S is equal to K 1 plus T Z1S 1 plus T Z2S plus dash upon, as it is type 2 system, here S square will comes, because if there is 0 then it will be type 0 system, if it is 1 then it is type 1 system. As it is type 2 system, here 2 will come, 1 plus TP1 1 plus TP2 plus dash. Put this value of G of S into H of S into Kp equation. Therefore Kp is equal to limit S tends to 0 K 1 plus TZ1S 1 plus TZ2S plus dash upon S square 1 plus TP1 S plus 1 plus TP2 S plus dash. So apply limit. Applying limit means put the value of S. So after putting the value of S, we will get therefore Kp is equal to K, it will become 1 plus 0 1 plus 0, because here S is present, it will become 0 1 plus 0 1 plus 0. Therefore as 0 present at denominator, so it will become infinity, because we have seen if 0 comes at the denominator, the value will become infinity. Therefore Kp is infinity. So put the value of Kp in ESS equation, we get the ESS for type 2 system. So ESS is equal to A upon 1 plus Kp. So A upon Kp is nothing but infinity. So if we add 1 to the infinity, it also become infinity. So A upon infinity. Therefore ESS is equal to, if infinity comes at the denominator, then whole value will become 0. So ESS for type 2 system for step input is 0 and Kp is infinity. Now let's see for ramp input. Next input for type 2 system is ramp input. Ramp input to type 2 system. So we know ESS for ramp, ESS is equal to A upon Kv. Kv is nothing but limit S tends to 0 S into K 1 plus TZ1S 1 plus TZ2S plus dash upon S square 1 plus TP1S 1 plus TP2S plus dash. Here 1 is present, so out of this 2s, 1s will get cancelled. Therefore it will remain Kv is equal to limit S tends to 0. Kv equation for ramp input is nothing but this is wrong. Kv is nothing but Kv is equal to only simple limit S tends to 0 S into G of S into H of S. This is nothing but the G of S into H of S. So for type 2 system, G of s into h of s is nothing but k 1 plus tz1s 1 plus tz2 s plus dash dash upon s square 1 plus tp1s 1 plus tp2s. So after putting this value in kV equation, this equation will come. Therefore kV is equal to limit s tends to 0 s and g of s is nothing but k 1 plus tz1s 1 plus tz2s plus dash dash upon s square 1 plus tp1s 1 plus tp2s plus dash dash. So here 1s is present and here 2s is present. So 1s get cancelled. Therefore kV is equal to limit s tends to 0 k 1 plus tz1s 1 plus tz2 s plus dash dash upon here 1s will remain 1 plus tp1s 1 plus tp2s plus dash dash. So apply the limit. After applying limit, it will become k upon 0 because s is present. After putting the value of s, it will become k upon 0. So it is nothing but the kV is equal to infinity. So for step input and ramp input, position error constant are said that is infinity. That's why ESS equation also same because ESS is nothing but the A upon kV and kV is nothing but A upon infinity. So in anything upon infinity it will come 0. So for type 2 system, for ramp step input and ramp input, ESS value and error constant are same. Now let's see for parabolic input. Third input is parabolic input. Parabolic input to type 0 system, to type 2 system. So here let's write first ESS equation for parabolic. So it is nothing but A upon k and k is nothing but limit s tends to 0 s square g of s into h of s. But for type 2 system, g of s into h of s is equal to limit s tends to 0 k into 1 plus tz1s 1 plus tz2s plus dash dash upon s square 1 plus tp1s 1 plus tp2s plus dash dash. So put this value in k equation. Therefore k is equal to limit s tends to 0 s square g of s is into h of s is nothing but k into 1 plus tz1s 1 plus tz2s plus dash dash upon s square 1 plus tp1s 1 plus tp2s. Here s square get cancelled. Therefore k is equal to limit s tends to 0 k into 1 plus tz1s 1 plus tz2s plus dash dash upon 1 plus tp1s 1 plus tp2s plus dash dash. So apply limit. So put the value of s. It will come k into 1 plus 0 1 plus 0 upon 1 plus 0 1 plus 0. So therefore k is nothing but simply k. So for parabolic input, our error constant is nothing but the whatever constant in present given equation. So simply put that value in ESS equation. Therefore ESS is equal to A upon KA. So K is nothing but only K. Therefore ESS is equal to A upon KA. So this is the equation for parabolic input. So we have completed our 3 types, that is type 0 system, type 1 system, type 2 system. It is very important because so much problems are asked on this topic. So simply you have to remember one table instead of all derivations. Simply if you remember one table, then you will get the full marks of this topic. So the table is serial number, type, after that step input, ramp input, because we have seen effect of this type of system on 3 input, parabolic input. So first type is our type 0 system. Here again 2 column is there. For step input Kp is present, ESS value. For ramp input Kv is present, ESS value, and for parabolic input K is present, ESS value. We have to write this Kp ESS value for type 0, type 1 and type 2 system. So our first system is type 0 system. Next is type 2 system, type 1 system, and last one is type 2 system, which I have seen now. So in very previous lecture we have derived Kp ESS, Kv ESS and Ka ESS value for type 0 system. Here it is. So for type 0 system, Kp was K and ESS is A upon 1 plus K. So right here Kp was K and ESS is A upon 1 plus K. After that for ramp input, it was Kv is equal to 0 and ESS is infinity. That is Kv equal to 0 and ESS is infinity. After that we have seen for parabolic input. So for parabolic input for type 0 system, K was 0 and ESS was infinity. So this is for type 0 system for step, ramp and parabolic input. After that we have seen for type 1 system, Kp is infinity, ESS is 0, for K is equal to K, ESS is equal to 1 of A upon K, again 0 infinity. And for type 2 system, which we have seen now, that is for step and ramp input, these constants are infinity and ESS are 0. Only for Ka it is K, here A upon K. So you have to simply remember this one table. You will get full marks of this topic. So how you will remember this table? So there is one trick. Only diagonally elements are present. If you look at the table carefully, you will observe that only diagonally value are present. That is, first diagonal value is K, A upon 1 plus K. After that K upon K, A upon K, same K, A upon K. After that, if you observe that, so upper triangular, above diagonal upper part 0 infinity value are present, and for lower part infinity 0 value are present. So instead of memorizing this table, you can also simply remember this table by this way, like, so you can also remember this table, that is serial number, type, input, step input, ramp input, parabolic input. For these 3, Kp ESS, Kv ESS, Ka ESS. Simply draw this table first. So by using one trick, you remember whole table. There is no need to memorize. So type 0, type 1, type 2. So first write the diagonal element, that is here was K, here A upon 1 plus K, here K A upon 1 plus K, first element is here. After that diagonal is here, so K A upon K. After that here k a upon k. So after writing diagonal, we have seen that is upper part of this diagonal element, the value was 0 infinity 0 infinity 0 infinity, and below that the value was infinity 0, here infinity 0 infinity 0 infinity 0. So you can remember this table like this way. There is no need to remember this table. Only by using simple trick you can remember whole table. So this is very important table, because in exam you have the problems on this topic. So if you have given type 0 system, you have to ask to calculate all these, that is Kp, ESS, Kv, ESS, Ka, ESS for step, ramp and parabolic input. Then you have to calculate only for step input. You can directly write the value for ramp and parabolic input because it was 0 and infinity. So it is very important. So remember this table. It is very much simple. There is one trick. So draw whole table. After that write the diagonal element. After writing diagonal element, upper elements are 0 infinity, lower elements are infinity 0. So in next lecture we will see the problem related to this topic. Thank you.